Alright, let's take a look at section 6.3 exercises, all about medians and altitudes. First few exercises ask questions about the centroid. The centroid is the place where the three medians of the triangle meet. Medians, these blue lines here, are lines that go from a vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Right, so from vertex to midpoint, vertex to midpoint, vertex to midpoint. And they meet at a point called the centroid. The important thing about the centroid is that it divides each median into two parts, a longer part and a shorter part, and the longer part is twice as long as the shorter part. So here, you're supposed to find, for example, PN and QP, and you're told that QN is 9. So you take the entire length, divide it into three pieces, and one of them is down here, and two of them are there. So let's see, 9 divided by 3 is 3, so QP is 3, PN is 3 times 2, or 6. Alright, that's the same for all of these here. Some variation. And then we get down to here, where you're supposed to actually find the coordinates of the centroid. And to do that, you're going to have to go ahead and plot it, which I've done over here. So I plotted the 3 points, and we're going to find the midpoints. Notice that from this point to this point, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over and 2 down. So that means that it's 3 over and 1 down to the midpoint. So this is the first median. And then we're going to look over here. This segment is 1, 2, 3, 4 up and 1, 2, 3 over. So the midpoint is up 2 over 1.5. We'll connect these. So there, right there is our centroid. The trick here is to figure out the actual coordinates for that point, because it's not, even numbered there. It's not actually on the grid lines. But remember, it divides this median into two parts, one that's twice as long as the other. So we take the entire median length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and divide it by 3, and 5/3 will be the length of this. Multiply it times 2, times 2 equal to 10/3. And that's the length of that segment there. So you got to figure out what these coordinates are for this point and add 5/3 to it to get up here. And the other one's going to be pretty similar. As for these ones with the orthocenter is the place where the three altitudes of a triangle meet. And when it's an obtuse triangle, it's outside. When it's an acute triangle, it's inside. And when it's a right triangle, it's right on the triangle. So you're just going to have to graph the triangle and decide. All right, good luck with all of these.